Now students, you can understand that what are the different types of banks in our country. So first of all, I have told you about the commercial bank. Commercial bank, commercial banks is the bank which are generally dealing with the accepting deposit and advancing loan to the public, and this is the primary function of the commercial bank. But not only the primary function, the commercial bank is also doing a variety of several other function also, which are known as the agency function or the secondary function of commercial bank. Now what are the different function of commercial bank? So the function of commercial banks are, number one is acceptance of deposits. Acceptance of deposit is the primary function of commercial bank, that commercial bank accept deposit from the public in different ways. Commercial banks accept deposit from the public through different types of accounts like saving account, recurring deposit account, current account, and there are other different types of accounts. Fixed deposits accounts are also there, where the people deposit their money and the banks are providing rate of interest to on these accounts. Generally, these fixed deposit accounts are payable only in time, on demand only, that is after the fixed expiry of that fixed period. Saving account means in that account frequently we can deposit money or withdraw the money. So these are the different types of deposits that commercial bank is giving to us, and in these deposits we are depositing our money and we can make savings. So one also that overdraft facility. Overdraft is also there. Central commercial bank is also providing the overdraft facilities also. That overdraft account is also open, so that in that account we can deposit our money and we can withdraw the amount in the limit of that particular, over the limit of that particular account. Means if we have 50,000 in our overdraft account, but we can withdraw from 2 lakh or more than 2 lakh also from that account, whatever will be the limit of that overdraft. And this overdraft facility is given to some respectable persons also, or the person who are under the knowledge of, means who the banks will be knowing of that particular person or some reputed person also. So the first function of commercial bank is accepting deposits. Banks accept deposits, and in this way it will mobilize the saving of the people in the from the by investment through these deposits. Next function is lending of funds. Commercial bank is not only accepting deposits, but also it advance money to us. It lends funds to the different, for different purposes, for business purposes, for other purposes also, like for purchasing land, for educational purposes also. And banks are lending money for different purposes. So commercial banks are helping not only to business enterprises but for other purposes also to the customers. And bank advances loans, that is whatever will be the savings of the public, and that savings will be utilized for advancing loans to the public. And on that advancing loans, on that loans, bank charges some rate of interest, which is the profit of the bank, which is the earning of the bank. And in this way, banks not only accept deposits, but the second function of commercial banks is that it lends or it advances money to the public. Next is the remittance of funds. Commercial bank is not only the two doing these two important functions, that is accepting deposit and advancing loans, but another important function of commercial bank is remittance of funds. Remittance of funds, transfer of funds from one place to another. Commercial bank is also transferring the funds from one person to another, from one account to another, or from one bank to another bank also. And commercial bank is also providing the traveler's check, overdraft, that draft facilities. We can make a draft of the particular person, and in this way we can transfer our funds to other person. Banks, the commercial bank is also making help in payment of our bills, payment of our insurance, and other types of payments we can do. We can transfer our money in favor of that particular person to whom we have to make the payments. So in this way, the remittance of funds, transferring of funds from one place to another, mean one person to another, is the important function of commercial bank. हम अपने पैसे को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं, एक पर्सन को दूसरे को दे सकते हैं. हम अपना अमाउंट, अगर किसी को हमें पेमेंट करना है तो वो भी हम बैंक्स के थ्रू कर सकते हैं. So this is the facility, that is the remittance of funds is also done by the commercial bank. Next is the check facility. Banks are always not only dealing in cash, but the check facility is also provided by the bank. This is the most important function, that we are dealing in checks. And it was very helpful that instead of holding a big cash, lot of cash, it is very risky also, and that banks are providing this check facility which are very much helpful for doing any kind of transaction. If we have to move from one place to another, these checks are also very much helpful. So bank is providing the check facility, that is we can make a check, we can make a check of the person to whom we have to make the payment, or we have to take the payments, and through this check we can make transactions. Checks are of two type. Generally the checks are of two type, that is bearer check and the cross check. Bearer checks, that which can be the payment of that particular check which we can make any time by paying by means by presenting the check in the banks. And cross checks is only repayable when we are presenting the check in the account of that particular person also, whose name will be there in the check. मीन्स अगर हम उसको उसके अकाउंट में डिपॉजिट करेंगे तो हमें वो पैसा मिलेगा, तो दैट इज नोन एज क्रॉस चेक. So these there are different types of checks which are provided by the banks. Checks are very much helpful for doing the huge transaction, for transferring funds from one person to one place to another, and it is also known as fiduciary money. Checks is also known as fiduciary money because it is taken in the matter of trust, where the trust between the payer and the payee is there. So the checks are very much helpful. We can make different types of payments through the help of this check. So this is the one of the important function of commercial bank, that commercial bank is providing check facility to the people. Now allied services, there are different types of allied services are also done by the commercial bank. That is, I have told you that commercial bank is performing primary and the secondary function. Primary function, you know, that is the accepting deposit and advancing loan is the main function of that. Every person know that ki banks are doing this function. But not only bank is engaged in accepting deposit and advancing loan, but banks are also doing variety of function. Generally, these are known as allied function of commercial bank. That commercial bank is providing us locker facility. Lockers, you know that we are having lockers in the bank where we can put our keep our ornaments, our jewelries or important documents to be safe. And we in that particular account we have to pay some the rent should be paid by the customer, and that we are keeping our valuable documents or jewelries in bank safely. So this is the locker facility provided by banks. Not only locker facility, but bank is also giving us travelers check facility, that if we have to travel from one place to another, so we are having, instead of having big cash, we can take travelers check. Then bank is also providing overdraft facility, that we can withdraw the money. It means whatever the limit of our account, we can withdraw the exceed limit. That is, अगर हमारे बैंक अकाउंट में कितना पैसा कम है लेकिन हम उससे ज़्यादा विड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, दिस इज नोन एज ओवरड्राफ्ट फैसिलिटी. This overdraft facility is given by the banks to some reputed person or the government officials or the person who is having their sound position, sound credit worthiness. And not only this, banks are also providing the letter of credit to the people. Letter of credit, you know that you have seen that bank ID, bank passbook is an ID for you. That bank is giving bank is also showing that you know that person very well, and that is the letter of credit is given by the bank for doing important transaction, for making huge investment or making some any kind of contract or any kind of transaction which required some credit worthiness of that particular person. So bank is also providing the letter of credit to the person. Not only this, banks are also doing so many functions like discounting bill of exchange, commissions also paying the banks, and banks is also making the payments of our bills also, different type of insurance also we can pay with the help of banks. And there are so many functions that commercial bank is performing, so that we can say that the commercial bank is not only accepting deposits or advancing loan, but commercial bank is doing variety of function. Commercial bank has provided so many types of accounts, and through this type of account we can have our savings, we can deposit our money, we can keep our money safely in the banks, and we have to pay the interest on that accounts. And when we have to we have bank is paying interest on that account, and if we are taking loan from the banks, so we have to pay the rate of interest. So now you can understand that what is commercial banks and what are the different types of functions of commercial banks. Generally, the functions of commercial banks are acceptance of deposits, and lending of funds, and remittance of funds, that means transferring of funds from one person to another, from one account to another, or from one place to another, check facility, bank is also, commercial bank is providing checks facilities to us. And allied services, you know, कि not only these functions, but there are so many other functions which are known as agency function of the commercial banks. So commercial bank is doing these types of agency functions also for their customers. So these are the function of commercial bank.